Hey folks, so if you are in a situation like what I was yesterday, where you've locked one of your bedrooms or bathrooms and you want to get in and you have no key and you have this turnstile knob, the turnstile knob is simply that opens with this knob. I'm going to show you two ways how you can get past this without breaking the door or the lock or the knob, right? So the first one is the easy one. Let's say first, let me go and lock this. So now it's locked. So for the first method, there is this groove where you can put a flathead screwdriver and just turn it. When you turn it, it unlocks this knob. It's going to unlock it. I can do this with a credit card as well. You could use a coin or whatever. Just turn this around and you've unlocked it. In some of the knobs, you might have a hole, and you can put in anything like a pin or like a micro screwdriver. You can just put that in, and as you push it, that's also going to unlock this. The same thing, the same mechanism. Now let's imagine that this is not working. That's what happened for me yesterday. The safety mechanism for the other knob that's right now I've thrown was not working. Like the screw for some reason had just unfastened, and that just kept going round and round and round. So for the second approach, where this safety mechanism isn't working, we're gonna use a credit card. You've got to use this credit card, or just use a credit card which goes into this groove, and you're trying to bend the card so it goes on the edge of the door in between the beam or the baseboard, or rather the wooden beam where the lock's actually gone in. So we're gonna put this credit card here and try to bend it, and making sure, if you need the leverage from this knob, please do use it. But essentially, and then try to just push this in. And then as you push this in, this should just open the door. There you go. All right. And remember, once you open the door, if the door closes, this is still in the locked mode. So the first thing you should do is just unlock it as you go inside, if assuming the mechanism behind is working. I hope this helps, and please do comment if this helped in any way and you were able to get in without having to break the door or the knob.